In today's class of lecture 3 we will discuss functions of management. Here you can see there are 5 functions of management. The names are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. It is very important topic, so students please learn the name sequentially. Planning is the first function of management, organizing is the second function of management, staffing is the third function of management, directing is the fourth function of management, controlling is the last function of management. So we will discuss them one by one. Here planning, it is written that planning is always the first function of management. Planning tells what to do, how to do, when to do, and who will do it. So we will learn the theory here. So every time whenever we have to do any work, we must do planning. If planning is well, then management will also be well. It is said that said that well planned is half done. Means if we have planned well, then we will manage well. Second, organizing. Always organizing is the second function of management. It comes after planning. Organizing means arrangement. So after setting up a plans, next function of every manager is to organize the activities and establishing an organization structure to execute the plans. So every time whenever we have completed our planning, the second function will be to organize the activities. Afterwards, the third function is staffing. Staffing here means to hire staff. Staff means the member of organization who will work in organization. So there will be the function of recruitment, selection, appointing of employees, for assigning them duties, maintaining relations, and take care of their problem also. So staffing is the third function which comes after organizing. The fourth function is directing. Yes, every time whenever a new employee joins the organization, it is necessary that we must have to train him or her. He is not trained fully to work in organization. So first of all, every manager has a duty to train or to guide new employees. So give them proper direction is called directing. It always comes after staffing. And the last function of management is always controlling. Controlling is the last function, or it is the final function, or we can say it is the fifth function. Controlling means just to check the performance of employees. It means whatever we have planned, so we have to check, are the standards set in planned operation or planned function are the same, or are they matching with the actual performance. If yes, then there is no need of strict control. If no, then manager will have to do some strict control for growing the employees and for making the organization well. So these are the 5 functions of management: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. So students, kindly learn them one by one according to sequence. Here is the theory given in detail. So you must learn planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling with full explanation. It is very important topic of management in business city. So don't skip this topic. Okay. Thank you for today.